Welcome back to One Crafty Ginger. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance finds, haul videos, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. So today I have a fun video for Treat Tuesday. It is a Trader Joe's haul. So I thought I would share with you guys my favorite items from Trader Joe's. If you haven't been to Trader Joe's and you have one near you, I highly recommend checking them out because these are some items you don't want to snooze on. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So let's see, I have so many favorite items, you guys. Let's start with the snacks. So my favorite things to snack on are dark chocolate covered almonds. These are $3.99 and you get a whole pound of them. They are absolutely delicious, you guys. They're so good. And then I don't feel so bad snacking on these because they're almonds, right? And they're dark chocolate. So I'm like, I'm having nuts. So they're healthy, right? Right? Get what I'm saying? We're gonna go with they're healthy. So I love the dark chocolate covered almonds. They're one of my favorites. And I also love the English toffee. This is 8 ounces. It's $3.69. It is absolutely delicious, you guys. And unfortunately, I can't chomp down on these or the dark chocolate almonds for another like 2 days because I have a temporary crown. My old crown had to be replaced. Wah, wah, wah. So I can't have anything hard, but I do get my permanent crown, I think, replaced tomorrow. So I can start chomping down on these because they're delicious. And also in the chocolate, we're just going to keep with the chocolate because your girl loves chocolate. This is the dark chocolate bark with almond, pretzel, and sea salt. And y'all, this is so good for snacking on too. It's $5.99 and you get 10 ounces. It is so delicious. I love it. It's so tasty. And then we'll move into some baked goods. I picked these up for my hubby because he loves snickerdoodles. And y'all, he said these are really good. He says they're soft, but they still have a bite. So they're not too soft. They're not too hard. They're like Goldilocks. They're just right. They are $4.99 and you get 14 ounces. How many are in here? Because y'all, he cracked this open last night. You get 1, 2, 3. You get 12. So you get a dozen snickerdoodles. Like, look at how yummy these are, you guys. Like, so good. And they are delicious, yummy snickerdoodles. So those are hubby approved snacks. And then what I've been eating for breakfast the last 2 days, and I don't know the price on these because I forgot to check, are the banana chocolate chip muffins. You can tell I've had a couple. I'll open it up so you guys can see because these bad boys are huge. Like, tell you what, with Trader Joe's, they are not stingy with their servings. Like, look at this muffin, you guys. Look at that. How delicious is that? And if you haven't noticed, I'm coming to you from a different location. We're in my kitchen because I have all my snacks down here and I have cold and frozen food, so I didn't want to lug them upstairs. So I love the banana chocolate chip muffins. And the last baked good, which was $5.49, that's a little bit of a splurge, is the mini lemon sheet cake. You guys, oh my goodness, I love lemon cake. Okay, story time. I love, and I'm a sucker for the lemon loaf cake. Is that it? At Starbucks. Like, it is so good. The lemon cake, it's so moist with the frosting on top. And this is so delicious. I love me some lemon cake. So I picked that up because I do love lemon cake. And I was lucky. So there is no Trader Joe's near me. The nearest Trader Joe's is over an hour away in downtown Salt Lake City. Like, for reals, y'all. They need to build a Trader Joe's up here. I'm telling you. But anyway, I was at a craft day on Saturday. Scrapbooking all day, working on my scrapbooks, and there was the Trader Joe's downtown. It was like 10 minutes from where I was. So I was like, you know what? If I'm already in Salt Lake City, I'm going to go hit up Trader Joe's and get me some goodies and bring them home. So that is our snacks, and if you give me just a moment, we'll be right back with cold and frozen items. See you shortly. After these messages, we'll be right back. Hey! Yay! All right, we're back. You guys remember those commercials? Anyway, so these are 4 chocolate croissants. You just proof, which means you let them out overnight and then you bake them in the morning. They are so good. They are, did I put a price? How much did I say these were? Oh, they're $5.49, so these are a little bit of a splurge. But if you want some fresh, warm croissants at home, yum. So the instructions are, if you get this, place frozen pastries seam side down 4 to 5 inches apart on a very lightly buttered or paper-lined baking sheet. Allow uncovered croissants to sit at room temperature for 9 hours, which is overnight. You'll be astounded by how much they grow. Preheat oven to 350. Bake on center rack for 20 to 25 minutes until crisp and quite brown. Light golden croissants will be thoroughly baked. Cool 10 minutes and then serve. So I got these because I love croissants. Like, love croissants. And then these, oh my goodness, you guys. These, I bought 2 boxes of these. The Sublime ice cream sandwiches. They're $4.99. I'm trying to ration these because, like, they're so good. Look at these. They're rolled in mini chocolate chips. Like, look at how big that is. Like, it's pretty big size. And it is so, oh my gosh, you guys, these are so good. So I bought 2 boxes of these because I'm a fatty. I like my sweets. So let's go ahead and get into dinners. So I love Indian food. When we lived in England, story time. When we lived in England, we got Indian food all the time. And the national dish of England is chicken tikka masala. So I got hooked on it. So this is $4.49. I bought 2 because one for me, one for my husband. It is chicken tikka masala. It is chicken in a cumin robust cream sauce. And it comes with rice. So it's like a tomato cream sauce with spices. And it is so good, you guys. So I got 2 of these. One for me, one for my hubby. And to go with our chicken tikka masala, I got the tandoori naan. For $2.99, you get 4 pieces of naan bread that you just pop in the oven. So they're really good. So we eat our naan bread with our chicken tikka masala. So delicious, you guys. And I also picked up the barbecue teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki chicken. I can talk. $5.99. This is fully cooked, heat and served, 1 pound, 5 ounces. So you could put it in a microwave, or what I do is I put a skillet on my stove, and I add in some water. Not water. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am tired. I added some oil, and I cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes until it gets hot. And then you drizzle the sauce over it, serve it with some rice, and it is so good. So I got one of those, and then one of our favorites, and this is one of my daughter's favorites. I bought 2 bags of this. Is the orange chicken for $4.99. Same concept. You just put it in your pan, heat up some oil, put this in the pan, cook it up until it's warm and cooked through. Serve it with some rice and the sauce that's on there. It is so delish. Absolutely love it. So these bags, I would say serve about 3 people if you want good portions. If you portion out a little bit less, you could probably feed 4. But we like to eat. We like our food. So this is about a serving for about 3 people for us because we love our food. And then this, we ate this last night. Oh my gosh, it is so good. Like this is one of my absolute favorite must-have, hands down, one of my favorite things to eat from Trader Joe's is the chicken pot pie. So those items were in the frozen department, and then they have like the cheese and bacon, like meat stuff and veggies. They have these like refrigerated department. It's the chicken pot pie. It is $8.99, but it is so worth it. This serves about 2 people. We cut it in half. It's empty because I ate it. We ate it last night. But half a tray. My husband ate half. I ate the other half. It is so good. So we put this in the oven because you can't do a microwave, y'all. But the oven makes the crust like crispy and crunchy and oh so delicious. And this has like carrots and peas and chicken. So it's healthy-ish. Is that a word? Healthy-ish? So this is, you guys, if you love chicken pot pie, This is so good. I just love it. I should have bought two. I only bought one. And I also picked up the Cajun style blackened chicken breast fettuccine Alfredo, $7.99. Same thing. This will probably serve just my husband and I will probably eat, because here it is. You can see. We'll probably eat half a tray, half for him, half for me. So it is, I'd help if I had it right side up. It is so good. So that is also one of my favorite things to eat. And then last, but certainly not least, because we just can't get enough Indian food, I also got the refrigerated chicken tikka masala for $6.49. I did not buy 2 naan breads. I should have. So I'm going to have to go to my local grocery store, which fortunately does sell naan, so I can get some more. But same concept. This comes with the chicken tikka masala and the rice. So this will microwave, because you can just slice the film in there. And like I said, there's not a lot, so this will serve my husband and myself for dinner for $6.49. So yummy. Although you could probably eat the whole thing, but we'll probably share this, because I think it's supposed to be a serving for 2. Does it say? Yeah, it says serving size 1 cup, serving for container 2. So there you go. So that, my friends, is all the yumminess that I purchased at Trader Joe's this last Saturday, because it's so good and it was close by. Comment down below. Let me know what your favorite item was that I picked up. What item would you like to try? Also, comment down below and let me know. Do you go to Trader Joe's? Have you been to Trader Joe's? What's your favorite item? What do you like to buy? Because you know what? I'm always trying out new things. I like to test new things, try new things, see how they are. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. It's completely free. It helps me out. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Join my YouTube family. We'd love to have you. It is your one-stop shop for all your entertainment needs. And stay tuned. The winner to my 1,000 subscriber giveaway subscriber appreciation gift will be announced right after this video. So you don't want to miss it, because it could be you. If it is you, please email me in my email address in my About Me box and give me your address so I can send your box and get it off to you. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I appreciate you guys spending some time with me today. I hope you have a marvelous rest of your week, and until next time, goodbye.